हर एक किरदार आपको कुछ ना कुछ दे के जाता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ एज अ एज अ ह्यूमन आपको कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के जाता है एंड दैट आई रियली बिलीव इन।
रोज सेम खाना खा खा के बोर हो जाएंगे, तो वैसे ही आप सेम तरीके के रेपिटेटिव काम करके भी what you want to buy, I'm chatting away with a friend about what I want to make this purchase. अरे यार ये ढूंढ के देना यार, ये कहाँ से मिलता है, सडनली इंस्टाग्राम like ये लो on a platter.
जब गौरव का ये आइडिया मैंने सुना एंड हमने लिखना चालू किया तो सब कुछ बहुत ब्यूटीफुली और ऑर्गेनिकली जो है वो आता गया। देन जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे तो द होल टीम वर्क टुवर्ड्स अचीविंग दिस।
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
गाइस, जो लोग मेरे साथ बैठे हैं ना, उन्होंने बहुत स्मार्टली एक मूव किया है एंड दे हैव टेकन द टाइटल वेरी सीरियसली, क्योंकि हमारी जो बातचीत होने वाली थी उसके सिर्फ चंद घंटे पहले ट्रेलर आया है एंड उन्होंने हमें अंधेरे में ही रखा था बट नाउ दैट द ट्रेलर इज देयर, क्यूरियोसिटी और बढ़ गई है और क्यूरियोसिटी का अंधेरा जाग चुका है, तो तब तक हम उनसे बात कर लेते हैं एंड दैट विल फिगर आउट लेटर। वेलकम टू इंडिया फोरम।
थैंक यू।
So sir, I'll start with you. You know, sir, horror genre जब आप लेते हैं, usually एक preconceived notion होता है by the people. There are these tropes, उन लोग उसी के बारे में सोचते हैं कि there'll be ghosts, there'll be jump scares, वही darkness, अंधेरा, everything. But when you are writing the script or you are getting something new, how do you balance that while all these tropes are there, you still have to get that novelty or that innovative factor into it to make it into the story. So what was that for you?
So while you're writing, you don't think of all these things, you just tell the story.
Right.
You are thinking of the characters and the emotions involved and things like that, and certain things come naturally. The crafting of the scares or the crafting of the atmosphere, वो जो है वो बाद में आता है। जब तो आप उसके बारे में सोचते हैं लिखते वक्त, बट उतना ज़्यादा उसके बारे में नहीं सोचते। You don't आप ज़बरदस्ती चीज़ें घुसाने की कोशिश नहीं करते। That's the best way to approach it, and that's what we did with अंधेरा also. हम लोगों ने सब कुछ बहुत ब्यूटीफुली, जब गौरव का ये आइडिया मैंने सुना एंड हमने लिखना चालू किया तो सब कुछ बहुत ब्यूटीफुली और ऑर्गेनिकली जो है वो आता गया। और देन जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे तो द होल टीम वर्क टुवर्ड्स अचीविंग दिस।
To both of you as well, you know, because so many scripts are coming in for you and all the genres are mixedly done, when this script came or koi bhi aur script aati hai, do you also, you know, find that X factor in it that okay, while I'm doing this show and it has all the basic tropes in it, but this is something, you know, which is innovative, or this is something novel where, you know, I can try something challenging?
Yeah, for me of course I think every actor does. मैं भी करती हूँ। प्रीवियस काम क्या हुआ है, क्या अभी क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हैं,
राइट,
इसमें ये अलग कैसे होगा,
हाँ.
ये कैरेक्टर अलग है क्या, पर सबसे ज़्यादा मैटर करता है कि टीम भी क्या है और स्क्रिप्ट क्या है। अगर स्क्रिप्ट कमाल की है और आपका किरदार अगर कमाल का है, देन क्योंकि हर एक किरदार आपको कुछ ना कुछ दे के जाता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ एज अ ह्यूमन आपको कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के जाता है एंड दैट आई रियली बिलीव इन। सो आई रियली लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट कि रेपिटेटिव टाइप कास्ट कैरेक्टर्स ना हो, कुछ अलग करने को मिले। एंड लाइक राघव सर एंड गौरव सर एंड करण एंड एक्सेल एंड टीम प्राइम वीडियो, एवरीवन ट्रस्टेड एंड ऑफर्ड मी दिस पार्ट, जिसमें मतलब किसको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, जो सब कुछ है। आपको एक्शन भी करने को मिल रहा है, आप पुलिस ऑफिसर भी हो, यू आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑल्सो, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द प्राइमरी कास्ट ऑल्सो। आई थिंक दैट्स any actor would wish to have a team like this and a role like this. So I was very happy when I got this part.
I think uncharted territory personally is मेरे लिए वो that's my go-to.
Yeah.
Like I enjoy doing that. I enjoy you know, आपकी जैसे ग्रोसरी लिस्ट होती है, ये ले लिया, ये ले लिया, ये ले लिया, सब्जी मार्केट में जाते हैं ना, अच्छा ये कर लिया, अच्छा ओके, अब क्या, अच्छा अभी it's literally like that I feel, and I think that's what keeps you excited also ना, as an actor. आप रोज सेम खाना खा खा के बोर हो जाएंगे, तो वैसे ही आप सेम तरीके के repetitive काम करके भी you know, your I think that spark that you kind of feel that you have in your eyes when you wake up in the morning and you have to go to a set, और वो part आपके लिए मतलब बहुत ही mind blowing हो, तो then Work seems like play.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So now मैंने ये बहुत शौक से सुना भी, and of course it's very natural that you know when you are working together on the sets and everything, एक natural you know there's a chemistry, there's a bond that just grows. And with that मैं आप लोगों को situations दूंगी and you have to fulfill this. So these are वैसे hypothetical situations, but let's see.
They're not real situations.
Let's see.
हमारी life की.
हाँ, but how will you fill them? That we'll see. So the first line is, Priya haunts us every time she does this.
When she laughs.
I know.
That's true. It's been a while. I couldn't remember. But that is so true.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Suno na.
No, you-
Silence. Okay,
because
let's every.
That's the first thing that came to my head, honestly.
Wait, no, Raghav, sir, 1 second. Laugh.
Oh God. Oh God. Okay. If Surveen's ghost keeps following us around, it would keep saying dash.
Such a nasty word.
No, the answer, tell us.
She's asking you.
What would you ask? I know.
Think.
What would you ask her?
मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे कैसे पता? Why are you asking me? You think what you want to ask.
So help, no, what is this?
What is the question? Go again, please.
It's
If her
Surveen is a
ghost keeps, yeah,
And
and it
she's-
keeps going around, what would it say?
I'll be back in a little while.
I wanted to say that, but I didn't because I didn't want to mention why.
It's almost like
The ghost.
Take a break.
Watch
No,
you
nothing.
later. And this one is, if Raghav is giving you a death stare, you know it is for.
The shot gone wrong.
Do you, sir?
experience that dead scare.
No, he has never actually. But I mean, the worst case that would happen on
Is
this.
it? It's like a.
Or maybe the shift is getting over,
Scary death stare.
and we have lots to shoot.
Maybe he's
Dead
actually
scare.
asleep.
Dead scare for Raghav sir is him in his own thoughts, rethinking or revisiting or just thinking.
Possible. You tell me.
I'm thinking. I'm just trying to remember, na.
So many possibilities.
Now I'll jump to a segment.
See the number of night shifts we have shot. I'm sure that stare would be sun aa raha hai. Chalo.
Din ho
Jaldi
gaya.
khatam
So now this is a segment called Fearometer. I'll give you some situations and you have to rate them on the scale of 1 to 5.
Okay.
That how much it fears, scares you or affects you. And it's a mix of both light ones and thoda dark ones also.
Okay.
The 1 is of course the least and 5 most.
Okay.
Finding a cockroach in your bed.
5.
You're scared of that?
I'm scared
Oh
of
my God.
all.
We all have to answer the same
Yes.
question. 2.
Okay.
1.
He's not scared of cockroach.
No insects, nothing.
I can sleep. I can keep sleeping.
No, that I can't do. वो तो मच्छर के साथ भी I can't do.
Yeah. Being booed from a person in a dark corridor.
Yeah, 4. मतलब, but वो, I'll calm down also very
हाँ,
quickly when I
yes.
know that.
But the instant reaction.
Yeah,
that's
4.
it.
Depends on the level of the boo ना.
Yeah.
मतलब कि किस तरीके से.
And the
किस-
atmosphere also.
Have you ever been booed successfully by a person?
Yeah, yeah.
Have you done it to
But ऐसे
someone?
dark corridor में I can't remember. किया होगा I'm sure but I can't.
मुझे फ्रेंड्स ने किया था बस
अगर
में.
होगा तो
डार्क बस, मतलब कोई नहीं था, बस में पूरा अंधेरा.
होगा तो 3-4 तो 100%
Yes,
होगा ना.
थोड़ा
It's-
तो
I
होता
think
है.
it's natural.
I'm a 4 there. 4.
4.
I've been scared of it.
A dark one now. बदलते चेहरे of people you thought you knew well.
बदलते चेहरे actually doesn't scare me.
But
in another way, it
affects.
hurts me.
Yeah.
So, on the scarometer, I would give it 3. But yeah.
Yeah, I think it's that only. It doesn't scare me.
But it affects you.
It affects me. You feel hurt,
Yeah.
but also some experiences of mine have now taught me to expect that first, and then everything else is a bonus. So I don't get hurt. Preserve self-preservation.
For you, sir.
For me, it's become quite common. So it's not really scary.
1. Having a work miscredited to someone else.
Again, it's not scary. it's okay. One.
But it's wrong, right? If
Yeah,
you think of it
It's
as
actually angers.
Yeah, it's more of an
Yeah.
anger.
Yeah.
Angers you.
so 5.
Yeah.
Very wrong. Should never be.
But tell me something. आप as an actor तो काम miscredit नहीं हो सकता.
वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता. तो अभी इसका मेरे को पता नहीं
But
है कि
don't
ये
be too
कैसा.
sure. अभी ये
नहीं,
अभी क्या होगा कोई कुछ नहीं कह सकता.
Now that is scary.
That is scary.
Yeah, that is.
I
AI.
have kept that. also.
Okay, you kept that. Okay, so then. Okay.
I'll go with that only.
Huh.
The constant thing that coming to us is you will be replaced by AI.
5, 50, 500, 5,000.
But it affects,
Of
like,
course it does.
and it scares.
It's scary.
So Sir was telling, Abhi Gaurav sir said that while it's there and everything, he's like, he takes helps of it, you know, to read the scripts and write it in better ways, and it's evolving and all those things. So like, what is your take on that?
For me, not on scripting, but definitely in terms of storyboarding, or if it is a concept of creating a cinematic, because it is a tool, you know, and I don't think we should fear it in the way that it will replace us. But it is definitely going to affect people in a way which is not good in the initial stage.
Yeah.
So it's up to people to kind of adapt to it, and you have to use it, don't allow it to use you.
Yeah, so that is my scare.
Yeah.
My fear is that forget you using it as a tool, it might come to a point where it's making mankind obsolete. How we think of
That is
machines
the
being
fear
and,
people have.
and technology getting obsolete. No, every year things change and something. Your phones get updated softwares and.
So it is scary.
It is scary. that.
5.
Do
The
you want
roof.
to add
5?
something?
No,
Yes.
no.
The roof.
Your whole-
Technology, when it becomes like that, it's almost like supernatural stuff is going
yeah.
on. So it is scary.
Yeah,
definitely. When it
you're-
starts
you're-
affecting you.
I'm having a conversation with you about Sri Lanka, and suddenly Instagram gives
shows you reels, yes.
It's crazy. Like it's blows your mind.
It's almost like soon you will be told.
Yeah, exactly.
What
What,
you're
you want to
supposed to
buy.
feel,
I'm
what
chatting
you're
away with a
supposed to
friend
buy.
about what I want to I want to make this purchase. अरे यार ये ढूंढ के देना यार ये कहाँ से मिलता है? Suddenly Instagram like ये लो on a platter.
Yeah.
Scary.
Your hotel TV turning on by itself at 3 a.m.
That has happened with me. My home TV did that once.
God, that's scary.
Yeah. My home TV did that few years back.
It's scary.
Startled
It is.
मतलब actually you remember भाई जैसे देख रहे थे ऐसे उस दिन हम लोग शूट पे literally ऐसा वाला था कि क्या है ये
TV turning on at 3, phone call.
I find lights flickering very scary. Like it's
Yeah.
almost like you suddenly something goes.
And lastly, falling in love.
Oh, not scary.
not at all 0
Not scary.
Not scary at all.
And okay, what will you say about Andhera?
Watch Andhera on Prime Video from 14th of August.
5.
scare quotient 5 4 3 2 1 it's got everything watch it
Lovely. So thank you so much.
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.